Everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. I'm Dr. Gomati. In this video, we will see how to use Tableau Public. What is Tableau Public and why it is useful? So Tableau Public is a free version of Tableau's data visualization software that is designed for individuals and organizations to create, share and publish interactive data visualization on the web. So it is free to use. First and foremost is very important, it is free to use. Anyone can create a login and use it. Okay, second one is data sharing. You can share your data across users. Community and collaboration. You have a data privacy, you have limitations as well in Tableau Public. What is that is what some limitations compared to the original Tableau desktop, which is a paid version. Okay, so in Tableau Public you can only save your work in a public cloud, whereas your data source must be publicly accessible and available. That is the only thing. If you are using Tableau Public in order to visualize your data, don't use your company data. Okay, you can just try with your sample data which is available in many various data resources like Kaggle or UCI data library. Then you can just understand how Tableau works, and then you can buy Tableau desktop. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how you can sign up with the Tableau Public. Okay, let us see. I'm just giving the Tableau Public link, so you can, I'll also leave this link in the description. So you can see sign up for Tableau Public, which is available here. Click sign up for Tableau Public. Just give your name, your email ID. Okay, okay, you can give the password, confirm the password. Okay, once you confirm the password, just click create my account. Okay, it will create your account. Fine, and you will be receiving the instructions through email. So Tableau, thank you for registering. You will receive an email containing a link to confirm this registration, and you should follow the instructions in order to access the Tableau Public account. So as I told, this is a public. Okay, so you can access this. You can see, if you just use this public account, okay, you can see that you have two options, that is create. You can create the web version of Tableau here. Okay, once if you click web authoring, okay, it will take you to the sign in option where you have to confirm your access. We haven't confirmed the access yet. Yes, so agree to the conditions and click complete sign in. Then it will take you to the Tableau Public account where you can create, you can import the data. So here you can see this is like a Tableau, how the Tableau desktop looks like. So similarly it will also be. You can upload the data from your computer. Okay, you can see the complete instructions here, like file, if you go you can see, and the data. If you want to connect the data source, you can see, and you can connect the connectors as well. So this is what the highest limitation, that you can connect your data from your desktop, or else you can connect through the Google Drive or OData. You cannot connect the data from anywhere else. Okay, as Tableau desktop allows you to do that. So you can upload it, and simultaneously you can use all the other actions. So you can, once you import it, you can see a few data pane and analytics pane. You can try the analytics pane and you can use it as usual, and you can name the workbook. Okay, so you can save this workbook. If you want to save it, you can save the workbook and use it, and you can publish this if you wanted to publish this workbook to someone else. Okay, for that you need the data. You can name the workbook and then you can publish this. So this is how your Tableau Public will work. And if you cannot download the Tableau Public software, you have a Tableau Public software as well, so you can download the Tableau Public software, but it will take some space in your storage. So what is the difference between the Tableau Public and Tableau Public Online and Tableau Public desktop is what? In desktop you will have some more connectors. Okay, Tableau Public software. In Tableau public software, you will have some few more connectors, that is sample connectors will be there, all these things will be there where you can connect it. Whereas in the Tableau online, okay, that is Tableau online, you will not be Tableau public online, you will not be getting any more connectors. That is only few connectors. You can upload it from your thing, or else you can connect with the Google, or you can connect with OData. Okay, so these things are available in the Tableau. So other than that, working wise, it's free, it's easy. So for whom this will be useful? If you are using your corporate that is your company laptop, and if you cannot download it without the permission, but you wanted to access, if you wanted to use Tableau and see how it works, yes, definitely you can go ahead with the Tableau public. Okay, so Tableau online. Okay, here this is the cloud version where you can use it. If you have any doubts in accessing this, please let me know, where I can definitely help you out. So you can give your mail ID, okay, and make use of it. So if I'll be posting more and more videos on Tableau, so please let me know if you want to know anything specific about Tableau. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.